If you're looking for a way to streamline your IT ticketing system and resolve issues faster, GoTo Resolve might just be the tool you need. But is it the best choice for your business? In this video, we'll explore exactly how GoTo Resolve helps with efficient IT ticketing and issue resolution, and whether it's really the right fit for you. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share some alternatives that might just do the job even better. So, let's jump into how GoTo Resolve works. The first thing you need to know is that GoTo Resolve simplifies ticket management. It allows you to track and prioritize issues, helping your IT team to focus on what's important. But while this is convenient, the interface isn't as intuitive as you might expect. It can take some time to get used to navigating the platform. Next thing, GoTo Resolve offers remote support features, which is a major plus for IT teams who need to troubleshoot issues without physically being there. You can remotely control devices, run diagnostics, and fix problems in real time. This saves time and minimizes disruptions. However, I have to mention that GoTo Resolve's remote support might not be as feature-rich as some competitors like TeamViewer, which offers more advanced capabilities for complex tasks. The third thing I want to highlight is GoTo Resolve's integrations with other software. It works well with many popular business tools, but the selection of third-party integrations is somewhat limited. If you rely on a specific tool not offered by GoTo Resolve, you might run into some issues down the line. It's decent, but not as versatile as platforms like Zendesk, which offer a broader range of integrations. Now, another benefit of GoTo Resolve is its automation tools. These help with ticket routing, reducing manual work for your IT team. It can set up workflows to automatically categorize and assign tickets to the right department, which is great for efficiency. But these automations can feel a bit rigid and not as customizable as some of its competitors, like Freshservice, which gives more control over your workflow. Finally, GoTo Resolve offers real-time reporting, so you can track ticket status and team performance. This can help you identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. However, the reports aren't always as in-depth or user-friendly as some other platforms. If you're looking for detailed analytics, there might be better options out there. So, is GoTo Resolve the best solution for IT ticketing and issue resolution? While it certainly has its strengths, like remote support and automation, it falls short in terms of advanced features and integrations compared to some of its competitors. Here's the thing, there are other alternatives out there that might be better suited to your needs, especially if you're looking for more flexibility and advanced features. One of those is Freshservice, which offers deeper automation and a more customizable interface. Another great alternative is Zendesk, which boasts a broader range of integrations and superior reporting tools. But here's the good news. Through the link in the description, you can get an exclusive extended free trial for GoTo Resolve. If you want to give it a try and see how it fits with your IT ticketing needs, now's the perfect time. But I've also made sure to include links to these amazing alternatives that offer free trials as well, so you can explore all of your options and find the perfect solution for your business. Don't miss out on these exclusive benefits. Click the link below to get the best free trial and access perks only available to our viewers.